C emailed us this project that we need your help with. She sent us instructions to build a bird feeder using a milk carton, a ruler, scissors, string, and bird seeds. We're calling on Zoomers all across the country to build this bird feeder and count how many different types of birds visit it. First, take your milk carton and poke a hole in the top. This part can be a little frustrating. Now, cut a piece of string and put it through the hole in the top of the milk carton. Tie it like this. Now, starting about 5.5 inches up from the bottom, starting in the middle of one side, start cutting around to the middle of the opposite side. Now that you have a cut on the top, go back and measure about 3 inches down from your top cut and cut around again. This might take you a little while. Now, cut up to your top cut and go back to the other side and cut up to this top cut. So now you should have a piece that came out of the middle. Now, fill your bird feeder with your seeds. I'm going to use sunflower seeds that were made for birds. Now, you can go outside and hang it on a branch or something else that's about 5 feet off the ground. The reason you hang the bird feeder 5 feet off the ground is because it's best for the birds. Once a day, check your bird feeder and see how many different types of birds visited. We had a chickadee, a sparrow, a yellowhead bird with a dark beak, we don't know its name, for a total of 3 birds. So send us the total amount of birds, the name of the bird if you know it, the type of food you've been feeding it, and the date and the time. So get those bird feeders out there and send your information to us at Zoom, Box 350, Boston, Mass. 02134. Or visit our website at www.pbs.org and share your data.